Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with Passive Review Boss, and in today's video we're going to be doing a review of the Coredy L900 Smart Robot Vacuum. So let's go ahead and just jump off right here. The reason I got this is because, we need a vacuum, and why not get one that vacuums on its own? So that's the most obvious reason on why I purchased the Coredy L900. So I forget how much it actually was on Amazon when I got it, but I will have a link in the description for the most up-to-date price. Other than that, let's go over packaging. This is what comes with the Coredy. You're going to get a box. It kind of looks like a briefcase in a way, but it fits up nice. And as you can see, it has the laser intelligent navigation, the map intelligent technology. Obviously, it vacuum sweeps and it does mapping, and it does have 3 optional suction levels. Now, what you actually get inside of the packaging is you're going to see this quick start guide right here. This comes in here and it just basically breaks down how to go ahead and set up your Coredy vacuum robot. And so it's pretty quick. It does require, it does have an app with it that you can use on your phone. So whether you have an iPhone or an Android, you just download the app and you can set it up that way. And it also comes with some instruction manuals and some spare fans and a filter as well, an additional filter. So this does have Wi-Fi connectivity, and it is controlled through your app, and it can work through your Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistant if you have that. So let's actually jump over to the vacuum itself. All right, so this is my Coredy L900 vacuum. It is set up on the charging port right now. But once it is set up, this is basically how it's going to be. When it's not in use, it'll go back to the charging port right here. And what I want to actually do is kind of show you how to take it apart, clean the filter, show you the fans and things like that. Whenever you want to go ahead and actually empty the filter or replace the fans or anything, all you have to do is just flip this thing upside down. And it'll show you right here. These are the fans, and it does come with replaceable ones as well. And this is one of the other suction areas right here. But all of this stuff can actually come apart. So let's take a look at the dustbin.
Dustbin removed.
See, it tells you when you remove it. And it's very easy. You just kind of has a little button or something that you press, and you just pull it out, and then you can easily go ahead and let me actually open this thing up for you. All right, so once you actually get it open, this is what it looks like. Everything's going to get collected in here, and then you could just empty it out. This is the filter right here. You can easily just replace that, and when you're done, you clean it out, you close it back in, and then you can just slide it back just like that.
Dustbin inserted.
This thing right here actually can come out as well, and you can go ahead and clean it. I'm not going to demonstrate that right now, but you get the point though. And so let's have a look at how it actually operates. So if I put this on the ground right here and I want to go back home, all I got to do is press this button right here. It's a little home icon.
Returning to the charging dock.
And it will return back to the charging dock on its own. That simple. And when you want to activate it, you can go ahead and pull up the app on your phone, which there will be a demonstration on the screen, and you can go ahead and get it started from there. And it does a pretty daggone good job. Now, my only problem that I have with the Coredy L900 is if you happen to have a rug that is kind of a shag rug like this, the fans can get wrapped up in it. It doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes it does happen. So that is my only gripe with this actual vacuum. And I don't know if that is just a thing that would happen with any of these types of vacuums, but with this one, if you have a shag rug or something similar to that, the fans can get tangled up in it. It's an easy fix. It's just a little twist. You just got to spin it out of there and it's fine, but it does happen sometimes. But other than that, that is my Coredy L900 review. It does a really, really good job. I've enjoyed it so far. And if you want to go ahead and check out the most recent price, the link is in the description. Other than that, take care and we'll see you in the next review.